Hai, nama saya Nail Adam. Saya 32 tahun dan bekerja sebagai Licensed Aircraft Engineer. As a Licensed Aircraft Engineer, saya ada dalam 9 tahun punya experience. I dah bekerja selama 3 tahun dengan ADE. I minat daripada sekolah and then I join APR, which is a training school. Kena minat math, physics and kena minat kerja on the field, outside and hands-on work lah. Okay, so first step would be of course SPM. So lepas SPM, you should kena cari approved training organisation to get your aircraft maintenance license. So from there, you pergi type course. So from type course, you pergi ke assessment process, then you jadi licensed aircraft engineer lah. Okay, so untuk aircraft maintenance license, every aircraft dia ada course dia. So for Airbus, you kena pergi course Airbus, and from there you endorse it onto your aircraft maintenance license, and then you go to assessment with the company, baru you approve untuk certify any maintenance work on the aircraft. The cost itself tak susah, yang susah dia punya assessment side lah. During my time, dia punya cost lebih kurang 90,000, but another route you can take is to become a technician with an airline. And then during your time working as a technician, you ambil paper and you go from there lah. And by the way, Asia Digital Engineering is hiring.